Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of this playlist. In this video, we will implement the middleware in our project. So now you need to first come to the this website. Go to Google and just type next.js like next.js.org. Come to docs and here just search middleware. Middleware. Once you come here, just a little bit scroll down and select from here JavaScript. Like if you are coding in TS, then you can select TS also. Copy the name, come to your project. So this is a project, guys. Remember one thing here: do not paste your do not create your file inside app. Create always inside src. Okay, only then our middleware will work. Hit enter. Now come here and can you see this one code? Just copy this one code and paste it. Okay, now next like if you have multiple paths here, then what you can do, you can create an array and you will do slash and the next path will be like we have an auth, correct? Auth slash login. Okay, now this is somehow we will create a middleware. Okay, this will not work right now. If I go to login page, okay, it will redirect me to the home page which we have not even created. Okay, if I come here and refresh, so have you seen like it has redirected me to the home page. So now what we will do, we will do you remember when we have created a login form and we were storing our token in form of cookies. So we will get that token here. If a token is there, then user have logged in and we can proceed to the next page. Like we can allow user to access our data. Okay, request dot cookies dot get. Okay, and the name of token, so the name we have provided here, that was user token. Now next we need to get the path also, like which url path has been hit. So we will do const url path is equals to request dot next url dot path name. Okay, and I will basically do here console. Okay, console dot log and first of all token. Let's see token, like what token are we getting. I will format it and I will open the integrated terminal. I will go to the home page and I will hit enter. It will redirect us to the back to home page if I'm correct. It is saying that path name is undefined. Okay, we had a mistake. This was next url. Okay, can you see now it has redirected us and it has given us undefined, means we don't have token. Now next we will print url path. Let's see what is the url path. If I refresh it, then okay, cool. I need to go to home page because we have not configured this one. Okay, now can you see we have got slash, means we have hit the home page url. So now how we can implement the logic, guys? I will say here, if we are getting null token undefined, then we will say that redirect user to the login page, correct? I will come here and I will paste it here. I will say auth slash login. Now whenever user is don't have token, he will redirect it to the login page. Now if I refresh it, it has given me. Okay, cool. It is redirecting us a lot in many ways. Okay, now we will make here few more things and url path. Okay, I will one sec. I will come here and I will paste it. I will say url path is slash auth slash equals to slash auth slash login. Okay, after that, if this is okay, now if I come here, if I go to home page, guys, currently see, if I go to home page, then it will throw us to the login page. Okay, this is okay. It has not thrown. Why does it as token? We will check. We will come to application. Okay, we don't have even a single token with the name user token, but still we have redirected to here. Okay, that's cool. But like if user is coming to this page, we shouldn't redirect, because url path, the url part that we have hit was not this. Do you remember why it has redirected us? Because we have hit the url path that was slash, but here we were expecting that auth slash login. Okay, now next condition we will make if like token is true and URL path is auth slash login, control C, control V. Okay, then we will say that redirect us to the home page. Okay, control C, control V. I will remove it. Next, now we will make sure that if user have not logged in. Okay, in that situation what we will do, if user have not logged in means we are not getting any token, then we will redirect user to the auth slash login. Now here I will say one thing, that instead of saying next response dot next, means we will like we are creating here two conditions now, that it will be always auth slash login, only then it will come inside this one if condition. Then we are saying that you can proceed further if token is not there. Okay, if everything works fine, if anything doesn't went inside this, so what will happen, we should proceed to the next step, correct? I will say return this one line and paste. Okay, now let's see, if I refresh it right now, it has redirected us to the login page. If I again come to the home page, then it will redirect always us to the login page. Now if I log in, okay, let me put the password. Okay, if I hit enter, okay, I hope till now it has been logged in. If I refresh right now, then okay, first let us console the token, what token exactly we are getting here. If I refresh, we are getting token is undefined. Okay, if I refresh, let's refresh guys. I hope token is not set. Okay, fine. I will say okay, node.ji. I will set password. I will hit login. Okay, now it has set the password, and if I refresh this login page again, it has redirected us to the login like home page. So this was the basic logic that had been implemented as a middleware, and you can have a overlook guys to this middleware, how exactly middleware code will look like. Now whatever the path you want to implement the middleware, just make here comma and just add path like auth slash whatever you want. Okay, so that's all guys in this video, hope you enjoy. Thank you.